Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you are doing well. So before I go out on the road today, I wanted to give you guys some quick tips regarding face coverings and which are the best to slow down the droplets when we're speaking, or especially when we're exhaling forcefully, like if you're working out and running, or if you are with some individuals while practicing 6 to 8 feet of social distancing. But sometimes we get all fired up when we're talking. We want to consider which mask is going to shorten the distance of our breath. So if I sneeze right now, the type of mask is going to be, one is going to be more effective than the other in how far those droplets travel. So let me jump right into it. And I'm speaking in general terms too, so it depends on the fabric, of course. So like gaiters. Gaiters are not the most effective face covering to slow down our breath and the droplet traveling. We can be asymptomatic, not even know that we're carrying it, and can be passing it along. So we want to do our best to protect those we love around us and anyone that comes in our contact throughout our day. So I'm just going to go down. Gaiters, again, it could be dependent on the fabric, but this is not the most effective way when we're thinking of others. Then we have like homemade coverings. So this is, once again, not the most effective mask. It's not saying ineffective, but not the most effective mask if you're forcefully exhaling, like working out for a duration of time, or if you're speaking like me, all fired up. So I'm just trying to drop some knowledge. Surgical masks are proven to be one of the most effective face coverings to slow down or to shorten the distance of our breath. And again, I'm going within the 6 to 8 feet of social distancing. So those are quick things. Last thing, hydration. Hydration, drink water. Quick tip. So whatever you weigh, cut that in half and drink that in ounces. So if I weigh 190 pounds, I want to drink about 80 ounces of water per day. So that's just a really general tip. You can have many other ways of choosing how much water, but that's just a tip I have. Google it. Ask me questions. The main thing is I just want you to stay hydrated, wear a face covering, and I strongly believe that together we can crush COVID. That's about it. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.